Today's episode, still on shortcuts to analysis of organic compounds. Under this episode, we'll be talking about the functional groups. Now here, I've written out some, formulas for majority of the compounds. Like for alkane, you know that alkanes is given by CnH2n plus 2, where n here must be greater than or equal to what? 1. And the functional group here is a double bond. While for the alkanes, we have CnH2n, where n must be greater than or equal to what? 2. And the functional group here is a double bond. While for the alkynes, we have CnH2n minus 2, where n must be greater than or equal to what? 2. And the functional group here is 3 bonds. Now, you may be asked, among alkynes, which of these is more acidic in nature? Always know that acidity increases as the number of bonds do what? Also increases. It means that this triple bond alkyne is more acidic than what? The double bond alkene. And the double bond alkenes are more acidic than what? Than the alkene. The reason is that alkane, they only have what? 1 sigma bond. While the alkenes, they have 1 sigma and 1 pi. While the alkanes, they have 1 sigma and 2 pi. So what causes acidity is the number of pi bonds in a compound. Alright, next on our list we have the alkyl. The alkyl is given by CnH2n plus what? Plus 1, where n is greater than or equal to what? 1. The alkanols is given by CnH2n plus what? 1 OH. What the functional group for alkanol is what? OH. The alkanals, yes, the alkanals, the formula is given by CnH2n plus what? 1 CHO. The functional group here is what? CHO. Same thing goes to what? Alkanones. Get it? Yeah. The formula is given by CnH2n plus what? 1 CO. CnH2n plus 1. Now, the difference between these, the alkanals and the alkanones, is that this functional group can only appear in the middle, while the alkanals, they are all what? Terminal. Yeah, the functional group are what? Terminal functional group, meaning it only appears where? At the end. We also have what? The alkanoic what? Acid. The alkanoic acid is given by CnH2n plus what? 1 COO what? H. Okay. And we also have what? The alkanoids or what? The esters. Alkanoid or esters. Now it's given by what? CnH2n plus what? 1 COO. CnH2n plus what? 1. Now let's consider few what example. Let's say under the alkanols, let's say your n is equal to what? 3. If your n is equal to 3, the formula for alkanol is given by CnH2n plus what? 1 O what? H. Now substitute n to be equal to 3. What do you have? You have C3 H. Let me give you 2 plus 3, 2 times 3 rather, plus 1 OH. So I'm having C3 H 6 plus this 7 what? OH. Now what is the name of this compound? Mind you, when you have 3 carbon atoms, what is that? It means probe. Now the functional group here is what? Alkanol, OH. So it's given by what? This is propanol. Why? 3 carbon atom. Propa what? Propanol. So that is how you use the formula to get every other what? Organic what? Compounds. Okay. Same thing goes to what? Esters. Let us say if n is equal to 3, for what? Esters. So we substitute, you have your Cn We have H2N plus 1, COO what? Cn, H2N plus what? 1. Now, if n equals to 3, what do you have? You have C3, H, 2 times 3 is what? 6 plus 1, 7. CO, C3, it now give you what? H what? 7. Now, the question is, what is the name of this what? Compound? Mind you, in naming esters, you name the alkyl group, the right hand side of the alkyl group first. Right hand side first. So this is what? This is 3 carbon atom. For 3 carbon atom, mind you, for 3 carbon atom is supposed to be what? C3H what? 8. Why? Alkanes is given by what? Cn H2N plus what? 2. Now if n is equal to 3, this should be able to give you, this is C3, 2 times 3 is what? 6 plus 2, 8. So when an alkane lost one hydrogen atom, it becomes what? Alkyl. So this compound is your propanol, or rather propyl. Yes. So you have propyl. Propyl. Now, if you name this, how many carbon atoms is remaining? 4. 4 carbon atom is what? But so we have propyl butanoate. It's easy, right? Sure. Okay. This is where we're gonna stop for this episode. Our next is we see how their reactions happens. You know, if they react with certain elements, what would then be the product? So feel free, if you have any issues, drop your question on the comment box below, or you contact us via our email for personal response. Thank you. Keep watching.